At midnight, the antique typewriter in my grandfather's study began to clack, though no one touched it. I crept closer, watching keys hammer out sentences on yellowed paper. My name appeared, followed by chilling details. Tomorrow she will see her own end. Heart pounding, I yanked the sheet free, but more words bled onto the page, as if the machine bled ink. I tried burning the paper, but the smoke spelled my fate in the air. In the morning, I found a new page. She tried to change it. The final line, "But fate is already written."